We begin with Kapalabhati, the lung cleansing exercise. Sit in the meditation pose, hands on the knees in chin mudra. Finger position, thumb and forefinger closed. The lower back straight, chest open, shoulders relaxed, chin slightly tucked in towards the throat so that the neck is in one line with the spine. We inhale, the abdomen goes forward. We exhale, the abdomen slowly contracts. We begin with 40 exhalations. Inhale and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Exhale deeply. Inhale slowly and fully. Again, deep exhalation, releasing all the air from the lungs. Now inhale comfortably and retain the breath. Sit relaxed and concentrate on the point between the eyebrows. We hold for 45 seconds. Om. Slowly exhale. Second round. Inhale, abdomen expanding. And exhale, abdomen slowly contracting. 60 exhalations. Inhale and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, huntu, 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 and exhale completely. Deep inhalation and slow exhalation. Deep, long inhalation. Fill the lungs completely. And slowly exhale, emptying all air from the lungs. Now slowly inhale, taking in energy and bringing the energy up to the point between the eyebrows, retaining the breath. "30 seconds. If you can continue to hold, do so. Don't force. Slowly exhale. Third round. Inhaling, abdomen expanding. Exhaling, abdomen contracting. 80 exhalations. Inhaling, we begin, and hunt, do, 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 hunt, do. Exhale completely. Back straight, inhale deeply, chest open. Exhale completely with concentration. Now inhaling, focusing on the point between the eyebrows, we retain the breath. As water condenses as it rises, the prana rises from the solar plexus during the retention. Where the thoughts go, the energy will follow. Imagine a light between the eyebrows. "45 seconds. If you can hold a little longer, do so. Om. Exhale. Gently stretch your legs, taking a few deep breaths. We continue with Anuloma Viloma, alternate nostril breathing. Coming back to the meditation pose, legs crossed, left hand in Chin Mudra as before on the knee. Right hand in the Vishnu Mudra, index finger and middle finger, folded into the palm of the hand. With the thumb of the right hand, close the right nostril. We begin inhaling on the left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, retain the breath, closing both nostrils. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, retain the breath. Stay attentive to the count, exhaling to a full count of 8 left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold the breath. Concentrate on the point between the eyebrows, the body relaxed. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and retain the breath. Exhaling all fatigue, left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and retain. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and retain. Concentrate on the point between the eyebrows, keeping both the eye muscles and the forehead relaxed. Exhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain the breath. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale deeply, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Retain the breath, back straight. Exhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Last round, inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and retain the breath. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Inhale, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, and retain the breath. Exhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6, Om 7, Om 8. Slowly lower the right hand onto the knee. Observing the breath, breathe deeply. Stretch out your legs. Slowly lie down on the mat in Shavasana. Slowly roll the head from side to side. As you inhale, the abdomen slowly expands. As you exhale, the abdomen slowly contracts, the body sinking into the mat in deep relaxation.